The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at YouTube channel terminations due to nudity and sexual content policy violations. I will give you the Help Center article link down below in the video description, and I ask that you watch the video, it's quite short, on the subject. Now, I should point out that not all nudity and sexual explicit content is in fact violating YouTube policy. And that is really where it is very important that you have a read through this particular article. But before I go any further, I just want to point out that anything that sexually exploits minors is not allowed on YouTube. The child protection issue is very much a thing on the internet, and YouTube obviously take it very, very seriously. What this policy means for you, if you have any issues with understanding it, you can actually click on these things here and expand the subject. Just remember that these lists are not exhaustive. In other words, they're not complete. There are obviously other things that are an issue. And you will also see what exactly would be classed as educational content and what is actually allowed. Now, what happens when content violates this policy? Well, if it's educational content, but it's still slightly in a gray area, then it might be age restricted. But if it is definitely something that YouTube do not hold with and it violates their policy, then the content will be removed, and on the third strike, you will be out. In other words, your YouTube channel will be terminated. You will receive an email, and if a link is provided for you to appeal that YouTube's decision, then by all means use it, because it'll contain the channel link that you need in order to make an appeal. Hopefully this explains things to you. I would urge again that you read through it, and do bear in mind that just because you think it's okay, you might want to think, would your grandmother be okay with it? Because there are other people of other cultures for whom it might not be okay. And we are, at the end of the day, a YouTube community. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.